Hey guys, Laura is here. We've all seen the flashy YouTube videos promising to make you rich overnight. But let's be real. If you're a student, the idea of making an extra $10,000 on the side feels impossible. Between classes, exams, and a social life, where do you even find the time? Here's the truth. It's not about finding a magic bullet. It's about a mindset shift. You're not just looking for a side hustle. You're building a valuable skill, a mini business. The goal isn't just to make money, it's to become a problem solver who gets paid to solve problems. In this video, I'm going to break down 5 high-leverage strategies that can realistically get you to that $10,000 mark. We'll go beyond the typical get a part-time job advice and focus on things that are scalable and actually build your resume. First up is freelance digital services. This is arguably the most flexible option for a student. The average freelancer earns over $20 an hour, but specialized skills can command much more. Think $50, $70, even $100 plus per hour. Don't think you have a skill? Think again. You've been writing essays, creating presentations, and managing social media for years. Now it's time to get paid for it. Freelance writing. Blog posts, website copy, editing, social media management, creating content, scheduling posts, running ads, graphic design, logos, ad creatives, presentations. How to get started. Pick one skill. Don't try to do everything. Are you a good writer? Start there. Great at Instagram? Focus on social media. Build a portfolio. You need proof. Create 2 to 3 sample projects, or better yet, offer a small service to a local business for free in exchange for a testimonial. Find your first client. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are a start, but the real money is on LinkedIn or in your university's network. Send a personalized message to local businesses or alumni. Tell them how you can solve their problem. Your first goal isn't to make $10,000, it's to land your first client. Next, we have specialized tutoring. This isn't about just helping a friend with homework. This is about leveraging a high-demand, high-value skill. Think about it. Parents will pay a premium to ensure their kids get into a good college. An average tutor might charge $25 an hour, but an expert in SAT or ACT prep can easily charge $50 to $100 an hour. You can even run small group sessions and make even more high-demand, high-value. How to get started. Identify your expertise. Are you a physics whiz? Did you ace the SATs? The key is to be an expert in one specific subject. Market yourself as an expert. Don't just say you're a tutor. Say you're a SAT math specialist or a physics tutor who guarantees an A. Use your own test scores or grades as social proof. Find clients. Start with your college's academic department, student groups, or even post flyers in high schools. The best platform? Word of mouth. Your first happy client will send you 5 more. The third strategy is all about content creation and digital products. This is the one that's most scalable. Unlike freelancing, where you trade time for money, here you create something once and sell it 100 or 1,000 times. Think of the problems you've solved for yourself. Did you create a perfect study guide, a template for a great resume, a checklist for a morning routine? That's a digital product. Create once, sell forever. How to get started. Identify a problem. What's a pain point for other students? How to get a scholarship? How to write a standout essay? Create the solution. Record a quick video series, write a short ebook, or design a comprehensive template. Platforms like Teachable or Gumroad make it easy to upload and sell. Promote your product. Start with your social media, your personal network, and other students. The real power is in creating content, like a YouTube video or an Instagram post, that provides free value and links back to your product. Next up is reselling, often called flipping. This is a fantastic option if you like hunting for a good deal. The concept is simple. You buy something for cheap and sell it for more. I know what you're thinking. That's small change. But a student in the UK made over $10,000 in a year just by flipping vintage furniture. It's all about finding a niche. Find, flip, profit. How to get started. Pick your niche. Don't try to flip everything. Are you good with tech? Old electronics? Do you have a good eye for style? Vintage clothing. Find your inventory. The best places are Facebook Marketplace, thrift stores, and garage sales. Look for things that are undervalued. A good rule of thumb: buy at 30% of market value, sell at 70%. The business part. Take high-quality photos. Write a detailed, keyword-rich description. Post on multiple platforms like eBay, Depop, or Poshmark. You'll be surprised how fast you can turn a profit. The final strategy is high-ticket local services. This is for those who aren't afraid of a little physical work and have the drive to start a real business. We're talking about things like professional car detailing, landscaping, or pressure washing. Why high ticket? Because the profit margins can be huge. The equipment can be a small initial investment, but a single job can pay hundreds of dollars. How to get started? Choose one service. Don't offer everything. Focus on a single service that's in high demand. Buy the right equipment. You can start small. A good consumer-grade pressure washer might cost a few $100s. A basic car detailing kit can be assembled for a similar price. Get your first client. Start with family and friends. Offer a discount for the first job in exchange for before and after photos and a testimonial. Post on community Facebook groups and Nextdoor. The results speak for themselves. You can easily charge $250 to $500 for a single job, and you can do several a week. The common thread between all of these isn't the money. It's about you taking a skill and solving a real problem for someone else. Making $10,000 isn't about luck. It's about treating your skills like a business. Pick just one of these 5 things. Don't try to do them all. Do the research. Write out a simple plan. Then, take the first step. You don't need a huge budget or a fancy degree. You already have the most valuable asset: your time and your ability to learn. So which one are you going to choose? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video was helpful, hit that like and subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.